All right, guys, this is the Milwaukee Packout light charger. This thing is really handy. Basically, if you have the Packout system, it is compatible. It takes up half of a box top. It'll do up to 3,000 lumens. It can charge batteries, so we're going to open that up here. Then I just have a 2 amp hour battery in there, but you can definitely put bigger batteries in there, but you do have to pull that thing in. You can also stack another box on top of it. So you could have 2 of these, or you could have a half box and a half box, and then stack a full box on top of it. Very nice to have. Had a nice handle here. You can carry it. On the bottom, right here is where you see there's the latch to connect that up or to release it. And then on the other side of this, we have another light on this side. We have our plug-in here, and this will just work with a regular extension cord. Again, open this up. You have USB in there, and you have just kind of a compartment to charge things, so you can charge your phone, put it in there if you want to, keep it safe. Now, the battery I have in here will work if I want to turn the lights on. But I'm going to go ahead and, because it doesn't have a lot of juice in it, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and show you how that works. All right, so just a normal extension cord here. I will plug this in, and now I can it'll charge the battery as well. As you'll see on this side, you can see it's charging. All right, so for our lights, let's go ahead and turn this on, and you'll see that turns all 3 of them on. We have our light button here. We can set our brightness, and this will do up to 3,000 lumens. So it is pretty bright. These will all flip up. These will both flip up. You turn them 360 degrees here, which is kind of nice. Again, this side also turns up. And of course, the middle one will turn as well. So you can turn that 360 degrees as well. Now, for the lights, we have our mode button here. Now, you'll see as I turn each one off, if I turn the mode there, now I just have my main light on. If I hit it again, now I have the 2 outside lights on. Now I have all 3 lights on. So those are your 3 modes. You can have these 2 lights on, you have this one on, or you can have all 3 of them on.